Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram Twitter quality. To know how to fix Instagram Twitter quality, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps. Here default apps, app settings, and when you will see this list you will go down to find the application of Instagram like this. Here we will click. Then in this page you will go to first stop. When you will end this you will go to storage here like this, and then in this page you will click clear cache. After that you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.